In the name of Allah. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're okay. I am very happy to present to you my project. Well, my name is Zakaria Radi. I am 15 years old. I am Moroccan. I live with my parents in Sifa, which is a small village, but it is very beautiful. I have a medium family. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. I am a student in the 3rd class. My school name is Layun Middle School. My English teacher is Mr. Abdelghani Bakhri, and I think he's amazing. Actually, he's a great teacher. Now my favorites. My favorite subjects are Islamic education, math, chemistry, and of course English. My favorite sports are basketball and handball. My favorite thing is my laptop computer. It is old, but it is working good. My favorite color is light blue. My favorite dishes are tagine, it is meat and vegetable, and I like couscous too. My favorite drink is orange juice. My favorite drink is orange juice. Now my dream house. My dream house is in Miami, Florida. There are a lot of rooms in it. There are 2 living rooms, 4 dining rooms, 3 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, and 4 toilets. There are also a big garden and a garage for my beautiful car.
Wow.
In the garden, there are some trees like apple, grapes, and orange. I don't need a swimming pool because I am near the beach. I love my dream house very much because its rooms are cozy, big, clean, and it is near the sea. In the future, I will be a professor of chemistry. I have a hobby. I like reading and writing very much. I participated with some friends in Wiz Act in Arfud, which is a forum about Wizes and climatic change, and we had a nice time. This month is Ramadan, and it is my best month in the year. I am fasting, I'm hot, hungry, and thirsty, but I am very happy because I do this for Allah. My friend's name is Abdul Habib. He is of medium height. He has a black short hair and brown eyes. The colors he likes is light blue, like me. Concerning his personality, Abdul Habib is dangerous, helpful, smart, but it is also sometimes annoying. So thank you so much for listening to me.
Good morning everyone. I hope you are well. I'm happy to introduce to you my media project. Well, my name is Halima Saleh. I'm 15 years old. I'm Moroccan. I'm from Sifa. I live with my parents. It is a small village, but it is beautiful. I have a large family. My father's name is Habib, and my mother is called Khadija. I have 6 sisters and a brother. I love my family very much. I am a student and in the 3rd grade and in class 4. I go to Layun Middle School. I love it very much. I like also the staff and all the teachers in my school because they're very nice and helpful. This is my English teacher. He is called Abdelghani Bakhri. He is a great teacher. He shapes our small mind. Now, my favorite. My favorite subjects are Islamic education, English, math, and French. My favorite sports are tennis, football, and basketball. I like Moroccan food, hot chocolate, couscous, and tagine. But I don't like okra, kazak, and pumpkin. Now my favorite cities and monuments. I like the Nusul in Medina, the Nara in Marrakech, Hassan Tower in Rabat, Big Ben in London, England, the Statue of Liberty in New York, USA, and the Opera House in Sydney, Australia. In my living room, a nice bathroom, a dining room, a modern kitchen, a wonderful garage where I park my nice car, a big garden, a big swimming pool, and a basement. In my grand bedroom, there are shelves, a TV player, a closet, a large bed, a sofa, a desk, drawers, a clock, light, a TV, a laptop, and a mirror. I love my dream house because it is very big, beautiful, and near the sea. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, take care.